The next thing I'd like to say about video editing is that there's a category of software out there called screen recording software, screen capturing software. And it's basically how I'm making these videos right now. So how would you make these videos if you wanted to make these videos? You could make videos, whatever you want to do, make trainings, and then you could go sell them on Udemy, which is one place. I'm sure there's probably other places out there. But you know, if you make some videos, it doesn't matter where you are in the world. It has occurred to me since I started putting these videos up on Udemy that people from all over the world are taking this course, and that's really really cool. And it doesn't matter where you are in the world. You can start making videos, trainings about whatever it is you know, and putting it up on Udemy and selling them, and making money from it. And that's a pretty cool thing. So I'm going to show you how to put something on Udemy and how to make money from it in a video not too far from here. That's a part of what we're learning in week 7. Down, 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 down. There we go. So we're going to see that right here, making money online with Udemy. And right now we're right here. So pretty soon we're going to take a look at that. But what I want to show you in this video is how to use screen recording software. And if you search Google for screen recording software, you get different screen recording software options. The main one, the one that I'm using, is by TechSmith. It's called Camtasia. But there's other screen recording software out there, including a link to the top 5 free screen recording softwares for Windows. You know, so you can find different versions. But the one I use is by TechSmith, and TechSmith Camtasia allows you to make videos like you are watching right now. So Camtasia Studio is what I'm using, and they have a free trial. And again, this free trial thing, if you use it for 30 days and you still need a little bit more time, often if you set your system clock back in BIOS, you'll have more time to use it. And so I've heard that that works with Camtasia, setting your system clock back. And I'll leave it up to you whether or not you utilize that technique. I'm giving you the tools. How you use the tools is up to you. You're going to be a drugstore cowboy with a Born to Lose tattoo across your chest, sticking up liquor stores, or are you going to do things for the good of humanity? It's not always clear sometimes. You know, Robin Hood was a thief who stole for the greater good. So it's not always clear sometimes what's right or wrong. All right, I'm just giving you the tools. How you use them is up to you. Let me show you Camtasia. When you first record things, you have this little record window. You just hit record. And, you know, there I am recording. There's my volume. This is how long I've been recording. And then when you're all done, you come into this editing area. And this is what the editing looks like. And you have different tracks here. Bump, 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 bump. And you could add more tracks. And you could move these windows around. I can move that. I can move this right here. Right? So here are all the tracks I utilized. And each of these pieces are slightly different. So if I play this video, this is a video I made for a promotion for Geek Fest we're having. And you can see the playhead running here. This is the song. This is me talking. There's that new picture that just flew in. Here's that text right there. And watch, you're going to see something else come in. That arrow just came in. And the playhead's going to hit right here. And then this text is going to change. There, it just glowed and glowed. And, you know, wow, that little thing just came in right there. Right? So how would I add stuff? How would I add stuff to this? If I wanted to add some kind of a call out, I would go to call out and I would just click, make sure I'm not currently clicked on a call out. I would click on like my timeline somewhere down there, like me talking. Let's click on me talking. And I could add a star. I just added this star and then I can say dogs. And I can make that text a little bit bigger. And I can make the star a little bit bigger. There we go. And now that star is right there on the timeline and it fades in. Kind of funny. And I can delete it. So that's it. And then when I'm all done, I just come up here and I choose File, Produce, and Share. And it gives me options. I have a custom preset, which I put together here, but that preset's 1280 by 720 editing dimensions. And let's take a look at that preset. So here are the specs on the preset if you end up getting the software and how do I set it up. MP4, and use editing dimensions and automatic 5, baseline auto, quality 70%, and audio 7 settings, and code audio 112 kilobits per second, cancel, close, cancel. And the other thing you should know is here under options, tools, recording options, which I can't access right now, I've turned off capturing system audio, and I've also gone into the video settings for this and cranked it back a little bit so that my computer can handle the processing of all this video flowing through it. Otherwise, you might get some audio sync issues. Anyhow, that's Camtasia Studio. It's made by TechSmith. And if you go to Google and search for screen recording software, you can find other versions of software out there. But out of all the ones I've used, I like TechSmith's Camtasia Studio the best. And once you make some videos, some trainings, you could sell them. And we're going to see how to sell them in another video here very shortly.